Welcome to the University of Iowa College of Pharmacy. For more than 125 years, the college has led the way in educating pharmacists and pharmaceutical scientists. With a new state-of-the-art building, Iowa Pharmacy will continue to deliver a contemporary pharmacy education and prepare its graduates to be the healthcare leaders and scientists of the future. The Pharmacy Practice Learning Center includes a simulated hospital and community pharmacy, as well as 10 simulated patient rooms for pharmacy practice skills and performance-based assessments. The Active Learning Center is a multifunctional space that can transform from 2 60-seat classrooms to one 120-seat classroom, or a 300-seat seminar space. Academic communities are home to our pods and serve as excellent student studying and gathering spaces. Our team-based learning center is a 128-seat classroom designed for small and large group collaboration. 2 of the floors in our new building house 16 collaborative laboratory science research hybrid spaces. We hope you'll consider calling Iowa home. You can learn more about us at our website. And as always, go Hawks!